take it as grouped data. Okay. So we have number of students and we represent it by F or Fi, and we represent class interval as Ci. Now from 10 to 25 the number of students is 2, means the number of students who are getting the numbers from 10 to 25 they are 2. So because we have to find out the mean, so we'll have to take a representative from class interval, first interval or second interval or whatever the rest of the intervals. We have to take a single representative who will represent this class interval, and the class interval whatever we have, the representative will come from its midpoint. That means we have to find out first the mid value of the class interval, and we also call it as class mark. Class mark. Okay, and we represent it with xi. This is also the mid value or the class mark. We can say it the mid value or the class mark. So now we're getting the class mark because this is the midpoint of this 10 to 25. So for the class mark we have the formula lower limit plus upper limit by 2 for particular class intervals. So if I'm having this interval 10 to 25 and I want to get the class mark, means the mid value, the average value of this class interval. So I have to do, what is the lower limit here? 10. Upper limit is 25 and upon 2. So 10 plus 25 is 35 by 2, and if I cut that I will get 17.5. Okay, so this is the mid value of the first interval. So I will write it here as xi. So the xi for the first interval is 17.5. In the same way, if you want to find out the mid value from 25 to 40, that will be 32.5. Right? And in the same way, if I want to get the mid value of this interval, that will be 47.5. Now you get the midpoints easily, 52.5, because the gap is same. So you can guess it also, or you can find it also. This will be 77.5 and this will be 92.5. So these are the values of xi. So after getting the values of xi, what we have to do, we have to find out the sum of the product of fi xi. So for that, first I want to get the value of xi, means the product of these two. Okay, one by one we'll do the product and then we'll get the sum of the fi xi, and sum of fi xi means the sum of all the observations, means 17.5 is 2 times, so we have to multiply it for getting the total 17.5 plus 17.5. In the same way, what it means 32.5 is 3 times, 47.5 is 7 times. That's why we are multiplying fi into xi, fi with xi. So 17.5 into 2, that is 35. Then 3 into 32 is 97.5. Then 7 into 47.5 is 332.5. And if you multiply 6 with 62, it will be 375. And 6 into 77.5 is 465. And 6 into 95 is 555. Okay, I hope I have not done the mistake. So the sum of this is 1860 and summation of Fi mostly given in the question. If not, you have to do. Otherwise, you can take it from the question directly. This is 30. Or now what you have to do, you just have to put these values here in the formula, solve it and get the mean number of marks. That means you have to find out so x bar is summation of Fi xi upon summation of Fi. So it will be 1860 upon 30. Cancel out. 3 6 18, 3 2 6 and 62 is the mean. That means somewhere over here our mean lies. So you can write it as that the mean marks is equal to 62. Right? So this is all about the direct formula for getting the mean. Okay? Thank you.